Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Arish there is testing some features. Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. Okay, it's right here. It's right here. My baby can control the quad very well. He just needs more training to shoot aerial films, and for that I'm gonna work on some very nice tutorials so he can learn, and all the beginners can also learn how to aerial film. This is Hubsan Zino 2 Plus. It's still in the air. How much battery left, baby? 44%. You better look at the quad. When you are doing this kind of thing, you need to look at the quad and do it, not by FPV, because it's too close to you, okay? So look at the quad, bring it down, keep looking at it, and make very little moves, okay? Nice and slow moves, right? Okay, stay here. Let's see my baby can land on the apron or not. It's pretty tricky, but he's trying his best. You can do it, baby. Come on. That's your spot right there. Down, down, down. Hold it, hold down, hold down. There you go, bullseye, man. It's much better than Baba's landing even. Check this out. So he didn't need it. He didn't need that tripod mode. He did it all by himself.